So I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm actually taking out this diff here, so I've undone these bolts. And I want to make sure that when I put this back together, I put the right bolts back in the right spot. So what I've done is I've taken a little bit of cardboard and I've drawn out the pattern, put a couple of holes in there, and all I've got to do now is put them back in the exact same spot. So if you draw like a road map, it's a good idea, because if I'm waiting for a part when this diff comes apart and there's something wrong with it where I've got to order a part and it takes a long time, I know exactly where I was. It's very easy to pick this up and go from there. The other thing I wanted to point out, these are different sizes. If you do make the mistake and you don't do it properly, you can figure it out sometimes. I'm going to put this bolt in here and see from the bottom of the head of the bolt to there, you're probably about 18 mil or 17 mil or something like that. That's usually too far. That bolt probably doesn't belong there. This bolt actually belongs down in this one, and you can see the gap there is closer to about a centimetre, 11 mil or something like that, probably 12. That's a bit more what you want to see. And of course, if you would have put a smaller one in, you would have put a smaller one in there where you're about 5, and that's not good either. So everything's a bit different, but that's a pretty good rule of thumb that I've found. But definitely the best way to do it is get a road map. So there's a quick tech tip. It's an old one, but it's a good one. It's helped me a lot, particularly when I'm doing motors or anything that is where you're sort of knee deep in it. It helps to have multiple pieces of cardboard and just keep them handy. I got probably a stack like this. You just pull one out, make new holes, throw it out when you're done, no problems. It does help. It was told to me long ago by a mechanical he was a really good mechanic, and he said preparation is key. Whenever you're doing anything big, preparation is key. When you've got a huge bunch of parts, check that all the parts are there. Check that you've ticked off everything. Make sure everything's right. Have a nice, neat workspace and really prepare for the job, and the job will go a lot smoother. We've all had jobs that we've done where you start to get a bit stressed and frustrated because you might be working in a tight area. It could be a number of things, but you start to get a bit stressed and a bit frustrated. You might have a seized bolt or something like that, and you're like, oh, like what else could go wrong? So preparation really helps keep your head focused, and it's much easier to complete the task at hand without stress. So that's the tech tip of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to have a lot more content soon. As you can see, the workspace is set up. It's all approved. It's all done and dusted and licensed and all the crazy madness you got to go through, but it's done. So the plan is that we're going to be filming a bit more content there. So please, I don't even know where to point. I'm not that good at this thing, you know. Subscribe, like, I don't know. But we're going to have some good content coming soon. And I should also mention my brother's DR650 is here. It's been a long time since I've seen it. And he doesn't look after it. I do. And it's been a long time since I've seen it. And I'll tell you now, it needs work. It needs a bit of work, but we're going to have some good content as a result. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.